set free very cute little creatures. These creatures always reminds me of my, good childhood, and I'm gonna bring all of them to the little mountain, near the city library, and the mountain is full of oak trees. I mean, so it will be a very good habitat for these very cute creatures. You will see who they are. Actually, this is the door, the tour of freedom for these little creatures. I'm getting in to bring all of them back to nature, so they can breathe up by themselves here. I'm very excited. These are little cuties I'm setting free today. They are all Rhino-beetle larvae. They are very active, and I'm just hope that they'll breed themselves here in this very excellent natural environment where all the oak trees have much sap flowing out of the bark. So I think since this woods only has the stag beetles, now that we can add the rhino-beetle today. That's what I'm doing. These rhino-beetle today are being freed here. This is the oak tree of woods, little hill, and not too many bushes around there, so you can walk around and stroll around, but still have very good, really excellent natural habitat for the for something like the rhino beetles and the stag beetles. But the reason I'm releasing all the rhino-beetle larvae here is because this place only has the stag beetles. I mean, if I add the rhino-beetles, and it just make the perfect harmonization of the nature and also the diversity. I already set free half of these down below, and this is the middle of the oak tree hills. Now that I'm releasing some of the left larvae here, so they can you don't have to. They are natural instincts. They have natural instincts. They dig in the soils. I mean, the underneath these leaves, so you don't have to worry about they are eating these leaves underneath inside soil, and you will see in the very near future that these rhino-beetle, we can see many rhino-beetle the beetles here. I came over the top and the other side, and then I'm releasing less of the rhino-beetle larvae here. Just I hope that it makes very good new home for them. These are very cute, wonderful creatures. I'm sitting on the tree trunk. This woods was a very excellent environment, but I'm really concerned they chopped up several trees down there, and I can see some chopped up trees. I'm really upset that now the people are just destroying the natural environment little by little every day that this country Korea is crazy about just demolishing everything and build up the apartment. People are crazy about apartment, but I hope that this woods still stays the same excellent environment as before. I'm just praying for those little larvae to become, the very handsome rhino-beetles and make family and live here happily after and ever. Yeah, I'm really happy. I realized that all of them, they just have dug in the underneath the leaves. I couldn't see them anymore. They are very adapting in the natural environment. They know instinctively that they have to dig inside the soil, and here, yeah, can you see? I released the larvae here, but all of them are gone. I really hope well for them. I just hope they breed them up here. They just breed up, and the interesting numbers, and whether I see many rhino-beetles here. I hope them to increase tremendously. Because maybe at least about 100 of them, then if they multiply, double-fold, then maybe at least like a couple of 100 will be new born. In the form of eggs. Yeah, this is how it's one of my missions to diversify this ooze, adding the rhino-beetle to the stag beetle habitat. I set all the larvae free today. I poured them on here and they all disappeared. I should have taken a video of how they are the digging into the ground, underneath the leaves. And the last one, I just reserved one last one, and then it's here. And let's see how he kind of getting into the nature by his instinct.